Welcome back to our channel, guys. Zina Zabs DIY. Today we are going to show you how to remove your rear motor wiper on a Vauxhall Zafira B. Open your boot. First of all, make sure you disconnect the negative side of your battery. Underneath the boot, or the bottom side of the boot, you got 3 T25. 1, 2, 3. You want to go ahead and remove them. The first part of the trim you want to remove is this panel over here, which is separate. So once you remove the 3 T25, it should be easy enough to take off. There you go. Once you've done that, if you come inside, you got 2 T25 screws, one over here and one over here. Go ahead and remove them. So once you've taken those 2 T25, you want to take the boot trim off, but be extremely careful and gentle with this. And there you go. So now we can see the rear wiper boot motor. So what we want to do first is disconnect the connector. But to disconnect the connector, you do need the trim remover tool. Okay, once you remove the wiring connector, we got 3 E8 bolts, one over here, and one over here. Go ahead and undo them. Just to let you know, I'm not going to take them off totally. I am just going to loosen all the bolts. And once we've done that, we're going to don't close your boot, because remember your battery is disconnected. So just put your boot down like this. Make sure it doesn't close. And then we have a 30mm bolt behind this bracket. So lift up from this side, lift up from the other side, pull it up and away, and that's 30mm bolt. So I've taken the bolt. Just make sure, and remember you got a washer there. So we're going to leave the washer and we're going to put the bolt back on, but we're not going to tighten it. Just going to leave it hand tightened like this, up to around about there. Reason being, because we're going to get a puller now. We're going to put the puller on here, so we need the bolt to stay on it. So the puller that we have is this over here, and this has got a 90mm socket we need to use. So Abs will demonstrate. So you're going to put this over here like this, for example. Okay, get it in as much as you can, Abs. You want to do it?
And the trick, the reason we left our bolt half open, half in, so this is going to go straight inside the bolt. So it's going to be snug fit now, so that ain't going to move if I leave it now. And what he's going to do is we thread this in. This is going to start pulling it out. Just remember, this has been there for a long time, so there's a lot of corrosion. It's stuck quite badly.
So you can put WD-40.
Yeah, I would advise to put WD-40 in there.
Okay, once you remove that tab, bracket, whatever you want to call it, go ahead and remove the 13mm nut. Once you've done that, just take your rear wiper off. Once you remove the rear wiper, open your boot up again. And go ahead and remove the rest of the bolts. And as you see, as I'm doing it, the wiper motor is loosening up, so get Abs to hold it for a second. Once you've done that, just remember you got grommet on this side and on the other side. So just put your boot down and be extremely careful taking it off. So it is a one-piece grommet, so what you want to do is you want to push this in. So as you can see, very gently, what you can do is put water on it so it flexes a bit, and then you want to push it in through there. And as you can see, it should come off from here.
So what you do, if you just wiggle this, it should just come out. There we go.
And guys, that's how you remove a rear wiper motor off a Zafira B 2007 to 2013. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Stay safe, stay blessed. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. We'll see you in the next one.